my god, I lost it. I missed every shot.
Oh no. Oh dear.
You win.
Damn it. I hear another. Oh, I bet it's in this building. Map knowledge. Another problem I'm going to have in this game.
Oh,
What do
yeah.
I do? Where do I go? I don't know.
Oh yeah, same. I just try to stay in the circle. I know the hospital. That's where I usually force myself to drop.
Yeah. It's gonna take me a while to get used to everything.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Oh no. Okay. Oh shit, there's a guy. There's a guy. Not there. There.
Hang on, never mind.
Hang on. He might be the one hunting them. He's on top of a building. Right. I knocked him. Wonder if he's got teammates. Can I kill
I'm right
him?
behind you.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Survive
No. Woo! I'm on the board. Is he being shot at? But I guess on. Yes, he definitely is. Yeah, he's got a guy. Two people on him to hit. Shit. Why did he just run up there by himself? There's two up here. Holy shit, the recoil on this thing is real.
Knocked him. Oh shit. Fuck that guy.
Ah, I almost got all of them. I was so close. Eat me! Alright, I'm gonna go over here and see if there are guns anywhere.
Yeah, I'm with you because there's nothing over here.
Okay, I got a. What did I say that was? How the fuck? Hang on. A beefeater. A beefeater. Swear to God, it's called a beefeater.
It better be the best gun in this game.
Beefeater. Beefeater.
Beefeater.
Like what?
I don't.
I got a beefinator. Oh, getting shot at. Back on my mark.
There he is.
Cracked. And if I had a grenade, I could do some work from here.
Oh my god.
Downed.
That was trash.
Where you at, beefinator?
I think that's your gun.
Got two knocked.
Why do I hear Fallout music?
Oh, he got me, Rosa.
It's like horror Minecraft. That's how we described it.
Yeah, it's a. Oh my God, Brzezinski. Brzezinski, no!
Gun. There we go. Oh, sniper rifle.
Ooh, this is like a silenced 12 gauge. Okay, all right.
Ooh, someone dropped. Brzezinski. Did you see the trailer for GTA 6?
No, did they put a trailer out?
Mm-hmm. I just saw it today.
Wow, that was laggy as shit. No, I didn't know anything about that.
Yeah, it looks good. I think you can go between Los Santos, where San Andreas was, and Vice City. You can alternate between those.
I can't climb that wall. All right, I'm just gonna go up there and die real quick, I guess.
With you 30 rounds, you got this.
BRB.
Oh, that's one.
Oh god! Oh god! I'm lagging.
Uh-huh. That's a horrible time to lag.
Are they dead?
Oh, I guess so.
Did I do it?
And our teammates left again.
Yeah. Fuck them.
Useless.
Fuck them. I don't need no damn help from these fuckers. Oh, there's a lot of people over here, man.
Yeah, I'm watching gunfire from the air.
I just lit that guy up. Okay, on top of that roof. Oh man, there's so many people.
Yeah.
We just need to.
Oh fuck up. Oh god.
Is he down low? Is he up top?
Yeah, he's down. He was down low on the street.
Yeah,
where I was.
I see him.
I was gonna say you won't fuck off. I'm just gonna run over here.
Oh no!
All
right.
Had it open for at least 2 hours. They get you.
Time to earn your
Oh my god, I'm lagging so hard. I'm in the gulag. Oh my god, that was embarrassing. I won, but I'm mortified with how I just won. Alright, well, we're alive, we're armed. Do you need shields?
I got one.
Someone just landed right near us, dude.
Here.
Backside,
Someone.
back where we just came from. He's inside this building. Shielding back up again. Eat me for dinner and lunch and all your meals. Armor plate bundle. Yay! I need those.
Ooh.
Oh dear.
You wanna try to head back south?
Hmm. No, I'm just gonna fucking kill him. What rifle does he have? I want it.
It's
Take
yeah,
it.
you just-
Alright.
yeah, they're definitely on another.
Someone,
building.
okay, yep, someone was just looking at me. Again. Oh shit! Straight in front of us. You're gonna get shot. Come over here.
Hostiles in the area.
Oh, I see.
Oh, damn, that's a one shot.
He's not on that rooftop anymore.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't.
Or he's hiding.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, he's pushing. I can hear him.
Yeah.
I'm
I hear him too.
gonna, let me armor up real quick. Oh, fuck! Jesus.
From the loft.
How did he get there? How did he do that?
I bet he jumped.
Had to have, like, parachuted all the way, like, building to building or something. Damn, alright. Alright. Somebody in this building with me?
Well, so much for the living aspect.
Teammates in the gulag.
You killed my friend!
Ooh, he's looking at you. I think he's coming up.
Yeah. He's in the air. Why you going in the air?
What the fuck?
You're in the danger zone, boy!
Wrecked. Oh.
You too are in the danger zone. What? Ah! Good wall. That's a good wall. You can try and live long enough to let this guy kill me.
That LMG is ridiculous.
Just secret. Just keep shooting forever.
That's what it is. By the time people are out of ammo, you just emptied half a clip.
I'm here.
Your headset must be phenomenal.
It is. Okay, now I gotta go.
The guy running
Yeah.
back.
Yeah. I gotta go. Gotta go.
He looked more
He's
scared
like,
than
what
me.
is happening?
Just as confused.
Do it. Alright,
I
whatever.
did it.
Going to be very stealthy.
I looked at Apex because it said it was finished, or well, it said it was at 99%. At the time it was going, it was
How many
literally
people are there? Sorry.
And there's still people around you.
I hear you. I know you're down there. I know you're down there, buddy.
He's like, I'm not coming out. He just killed 4 people. I abandoned my team. There he is.
I went into my game before I stopped playing it, and I turned off a lot of the sounds by going through the sound files and putting them through Python and seeing which ones. I'm a bastard.
Oh. Cracked. What? What are you doing? What the fuck? That was the craziest thing I've ever seen. Okay. All right. I gotta get out of here. I've had enough solo fun. I'll go try and get you back in.
10 kills. I don't even know how you saw that guy. Oh my god.
It's not. That's you. It's like 5 gigabytes. It's really not even anything big. But it went from being like 30 seconds to 15 minutes to now scraping up towards an hour.
Not sure how to play this. Okay. Oh! Hey, how's it going? What the fuck? Did you see that? Did you see me see nothing but gray when I scoped in? Thanks, game. It knew I was too strong. I needed to be nerfed. I ain't dead yet!
Well, if you've got 12 kills, why not add 4 more?
Yeah, I mean... That's very odd. Oh, fuck!
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, this is bad. I'm so hurt. Ah! Just couldn't see enough of him.